students. Today I will start flowers. Flowers is in plants form and function chapter. What is flower? Do you know? Yes, flower is reproductive organ of plant. Flower is reproductive organ of flower. That means main reproductive organ is flower. Sexual reproducing organ is flower. Now, why it is called sexual reproductive organ? Because male reproductive organ or female reproductive organ are present in flowers. Do you know what is the name of male reproductive organ? Yes, it is stamen. And what is the name of female reproductive organ? It is carpel or pistil. Actually, these reproductive organs, male or female, are present either in the same plant, same flower, or in different flowers on the basis of these reproductive organs. On the basis of these reproductive organs, flowers can broadly be divided in two parts. Unisexual flowers, and second one is called bisexual flowers. What is unisexual flower and what is bisexual flowers? Actually, in unisexual flowers, sex organ, that means either male or female, is present in one flower. Either male or female is present in one flower, then it is called unisexual flower. Now come to the bisexual flower. In bisexual flower, you will find both the reproductive organs. It may be carpel, it may be stamen. Both are present in same flower. Both are present in same flower. This is the difference between unisexual flower and bisexual flower. It's about structure of flowers. Structure of flower. Actually, the branch from where flower arises, it is called pedicel, and its proximal end is swollen. This swollen end is called thalamus. In this swollen end, four holes of flower are present. First one or lowermost is greenish in color. This one is greenish in color, and this is called, which is greenish in color, it is called sepal. After that, colorful part is present, and this colorful part is called petal. In the middle, one or more carpel are present. This one is called carpel, and this carpel is surrounded by stamen. This one is called stamen. That means you can see in the diagram, pedicel, swollen end is called thalamus, and on this thalamus there are four hole. First hole is called calyx, and its unit is called sepal. Second hole is called corolla, and its unit is called petal. Third hole is called stamen, and its unit is called third hole is called andrecium, and its unit is called stamen. And fourth hole is gynoecium, and its unit is called carpel. That means there are four holes. calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium. And what is the name of its unit? Its unit: calyx, sepal; corolla, petal; androecium, stamen; gynoecium, carpel. These four holes. These are the four holes. And what is its name of unit? That means these four holes rest on thalamus. These four holes rest on thalamus. And what is its function? Actually, they play separate roles. What is the role of sepal? Actually, when flower is in bud condition, it protect all the parts of flower. Now come to the petal. Petal attracts the individuals, attracts the insects, attracts other organisms towards itself. Carpel, as it is clear from its name, it is female reproductive organ, and stamen is male reproductive organ. Now, in next class, we will discuss about these and its modification in detail. Thank you.